Everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today, I'm going to be making paella. And paella is a really delicious dish, but it really comprises of a lot of ingredients. So I'm going to make an abbreviated version, but it's going to be just as good. Hola mis amores, bienvenido a mi cocina. Si eres nueva aquí, gracias por verme. Si eres regular, gracias por ver. Hoy enseñarle cómo hacer paella, pero una versión corta, pero será igual sabrosa. So paella is a dish from Spain, and paella is a dish that includes a lot of meats, chorizo, pork, shrimp, mussels, you name it. But anyway, I'm making a short version of it tonight. Some things I may not even include in it. Like I bought an extra pack of a mixture of clams and things like that. I may not even put that in there. But anyway, let me get started. Paella es un plato sabroso y que se origina de España y lleva un montón de carne como chorizo, camarones, almejillones, etc. Bueno, mis amigos, vamos a empezar. For the ingredients, we're going to be using 2 cups of rice, mussels, shrimp. I have half a cup of tomato sauce. I'm using half of a green pepper, half of a red pepper, 1 onion. I'm using 3 garlic cloves. I'm using a lemon for garnish. I'm using olive oil for sauteing, salt and pepper, paprika, and I'm using a bay leaf, which is off camera. I'm using saffron for coloring the rice. And saffron is a Spanish seasoning. You may not find it; it's really hard to find, but if you do find it, it's a must. And this right here, the seafood mix, I may not even use it. Oh, I almost forgot, I'm using half a cup of white wine. Para esta receta necesitamos son 2 tazas de arroz limpiado, mejillones, camarones, langosta, media taza de salsa de tomate, media pimiento verde y rojo, una cebolla, ajo, limón para decor, aceite, sal y pimienta, paprika, una hoja de laurel, no está aquí, pero usando una, azafrán para colorear el arroz. Azafrán es una sazón de España, pero si no puede encontrarla, no te preocupes, pero es única a este platillo. Puede usar achiote o sazón, yo sé, pero no es la misma. Pero está buena. Y también media taza de vino blanco. So the first thing I'm going to do is to peel and devein the shrimps. And the shell from the shrimps, I'm going to use that to make a fish stock. El primer paso es pelar y desveinar las venas de los camarones y quiere usar las cáscaras para hacer un caldo. So I'm getting ready to saute my onion, peppers, and garlic. So I'm adding some olive oil to the pan. Ok, queremos cocinar los pimientos y cebolla por 5 minutos hasta que sean suave y después vamos a echar la salsa de tomate. We want to cook this for about 5 minutes so that our vegetables could get nice and tender. And then we're going to add in the tomato sauce. So next I'm adding in 1 bay leaf, and then we're going to go drain our shrimp shells. El siguiente, echa una hojita de laurel. So now that our broth is ready, we want to remove the shrimp shells from the broth. Ahora nuestro caldo está listo. Tenemos que tirar las cáscaras. So I'm adding some salt, pepper, and I'm adding sazon completo, which I didn't mention earlier. And it's just garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, oregano, and a little parsley. So it's been 5 minutes, and our sauce is ready. Our sofrito is ready. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in our washed rice. Ha pasado 5 minutos. Voy a echar mi arroz limpiado. So we're going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes just to cover the rice completely. Ok, vamos a freír el arroz durante 2 minutos para que el arroz esté cubierto completamente. So I'm just adding the broth back into the pot, and I'm going to add a few strands of saffron to the pot so that the broth can change colors. Once it turns yellow, then you know it's ready. Ok, le puse el caldo y azafrán en esta olla para hervir y queremos el caldo a cambiar en color el color amarillo. Okay, so now our broth is ready because it turns yellow, and we can use this to pour over our rice now. Okay, el caldo está listo para cocinar el arroz. So next we're adding in the seafood. We're adding all the shrimp, the mussels, we're gonna add in the lobster, and then we're gonna cover this up. Okay, añadimos todos los mariscos y tápalo y cocínalo por 30 minutos a fuego lento. So you want to put your seafood right on top of the rice, and you want it to just like nestle it into the rice. Okay, off camera I roasted half of a red pepper in the air fryer. And now I'm going to remove the skin. And you can skip this step altogether, and you can just buy pimentos in a jar already sliced up. But anyway, just in case you decide to do it yourself, this is how I like to do it. He asado la mitad de pimiento rojo en el air fryer, pero si quiere usar los que en la botella, está bien. So now we're ready to add our broth over the rice, and we're going to cook this for 30 minutes on medium-low, uncovered. Our last 10 minutes, we're going to cover it up. Estamos listos para echar nuestro caldo encima del arroz, pero después, 20 minutos, echa el vino. So when you add the broth to the rice, you want to cook it for 20 minutes, and then after the 20 minutes, you want to add the wine to it and cook it the last 10 minutes covered. So now I'm just cooking my lobster, and that's going to take about 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. Okay, para mis mariscos, voy a poner sal y pimienta y ajo en polvo y red pepper flakes. And now our delicious paella is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's like a masterpiece. So now you want to just garnish it with some lime. You can add some peas to it if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it simple. Y ahora nuestro paella está lista. Mira qué bonita. Estoy poniendo el limón y perejil, pero tiene que usar guisante más pimientos cualquiera. Now I'm just chopping up my lobster, and I'm just going to add a little bit over my in the paella. Y ya está lista. Cortando mi langosta y añadiendo a mi paella. Well, guys, I just want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. And follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Suscríbete a mi canal y sígueme en Facebook y Instagram. Bye-bye.